Welcome back to the Simple Silent channel. Alright, so today we are on my new bike. That is right. I did sell my Z900 and I upgraded to a 2020 Kawasaki ZH2. I got the bike used, purchased it, got it in Atlanta from a guy that was ready to move to a dual sport. He was tired of sports bikes. Bike had 1,500 miles on it. Now I've had it for about a year and a half, maybe somewhere around there, and I put about 3,000 miles on it. So I have some experience with it, feeling it, riding it, and so the channel is going to now consist of ZH2 content. Hopefully all my Z900 people still like to watch me fix things, break things, customize things. So I hope you stay. Now a lot of this stuff does cross-reference to a Z900, so some things may seem a little redundant, me doing them because I've already done them on a 900 and they're very similar. But honestly, I mean, a lot of the bike is different. A lot of it's close. As you can see, she has a beautiful sound. She has a smooth ride. She is a heavy girl. I think it weighs in just over 500 pounds. And but we're going to try and slim her down a little bit to make it not so heavy. So please stay tuned for some new ZH2 content. And I'll also be giving a review on a more in-depth review of the bike. Thanks again. Y'all stay safe.